And therefore we are all called today to be Jesus, because He is within us, and then only can we be true to what we are called Christians. So that is how we can see. Now, if we try to gain profit in this world, which most of us are getting into that kind of a rut race, we do not really feel happy by having lots. We are never happy. It becomes an obsession. And then we don't care for others, where just money becomes the important thing, and God and everyone is secondary. That is why it is said by the Lord, what does it profit a man if he gains the whole world but loses his real self, who he is meant to be as a child of God? And it took time, not only for St. Francis Xavier, but for all of us. We are always going to be struggling with this, because it is good that God has given us an ego, so that we can constantly deny ourselves, constantly let it go, so that God who is in us can be shining through our thoughts, words and deeds. And so, it is said so beautifully here. I say to you, there are some standing here who will not taste death. Death comes in when we are self-centered, and then we begin to sin, and then sin brings death to us. We are no longer alive. But the Son of Man is constantly coming to us to take us away from death and to bring us life.